This lecture explores conjunction signs in ASL. What are conjunctions? Conjunctions are words that link two separate phrases together. They signal a shift or pivot in meaning or a culmination of ideas. Common English conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, since, and unless. Time markers can also function as conjunctions in both English and ASL. Here are some common conjunctions in ASL. They do not always translate exactly as we might expect them to. Let's look more closely at what these ASL conjunctions mean and how they are used in a signed sentence. I will demonstrate how these conjunctions are used in a sentence. When my work is finished, I will go food shopping. I can drive, but you have to pay for the gas. You fill out the application paper and then you can enter. The signs for hit, happen, and accident are also used as conjunctions. I'll demonstrate some sentences. Last night, unexpectedly, a windstorm hit the area. Last night, I was walking home and I happened to see an old friend. Last week, at football practice, Tom accidentally broke his leg. The last three conjunctions that we'll look at in Unit 8 are thought, think, appear, and find. I'll demonstrate a few more sentences using these last three conjunctions. It just occurred to me this Wednesday, Rob, he can't come. I just realized that my phone charger, I left it at home. My keys were gone. Come to find out, my cat took them. Make sure to practice using conjunctions so you can include them in your expressive video for Unit 8.